And yes, this is a spray and cook thing, like a non-stick that you spray on the pan. And my pizza's looking beautiful. It's looking really fantastic, you know. It's looking. So the stream might go on a little bit longer than I had planned it to, because I don't know what the fuck I'm doing.
Babe, we don't judge.
Floof, I think I never seen a bagged dough. I only have seen canned dough and homemade dough.
Yeah, well, I've never made dough at home, so I have no fucking idea. Okay, we're gonna bring up
The
cheese
council
grater.
shall judge your pizza making skills with a keen eye.
Well, what are you even doing? Oh, okay.
Cheese. I'm gonna grate the cheese.
Yeah,
You
what
know?
the dog doing?
What the dog doing?
Oh, I so much wish I was a raccoon right now.
Bruh.
There you go. We chroma keyed the chroma keyed the cheese. SCP cheese.
Damn, we in a horror game.
Blue Jay's gonna kill me. Probably. It's not a pizza anymore. What are you talking about? It has the stuff on it. It has the little like stuff. The sauce, you see, it has the sauce. It's got the cheese, the base. Mamma mia, is good. Pizzeria.
Ah, you can make a free K. You can make free and then a K, and then that can be.
Oh my word, yes. Hang on, that's what I can use
If
the
I
rest
see
of this
barbecue sauce on it, I'm gonna
Yeah.
get the next flight to South Africa.
If I see barbecue on it. What? Kita Kitsune? You promise, dude. You promise. If I put barbecue sauce on this pizza, like this. Like this.
I'm gonna slam my keyboard off my desk.
No.
I'm gonna slam my
So
keyboard off my
you're
desk.
coming to South Africa now, right?
Don't ruin the pizza.
Oh, come on, man. Get that sauce off
Get
there,
the
man.
sauce off the pizza.
So you're coming to South Africa now, right? The man legitimately sent me a photo of Google prices for planes to South Africa. Solid 6 out of 10. So what do you guys rate? Come on, I want to see.
No
I wanna
comment.
What are you fuck off, dude?
No, that looks like a.
It turned out like it
It's a
looks.
6 or 7.
See
I'm
for a homemade
getting
oven
it
pizza.
tastes
Okay.
better.
See for a homemade oven pizza, it actually looks quite
Hey.
tasty.
Hey,
What?
Hey.
What?
It does not look that.
hey,
What?
no barbecue sauce, please. No.
Barbecue
no,
sauce and
no,
honey.
no,
Barbecue
come
sauce
on,
and
no.
honey.
No.
Nah, come on. Oh, you guys are so fucking such boomers, dude. Holy shit, come on.
Stop. It's gonna go from a solid
7,
6 or 7 to fucking like I don't know.
17 out of 10.
Way.
Thank you, dude.
No.
Thank you. where's
No,
Kita there?
Stop.
Listen, I wanna.
Stop, babe. You're bottoming. You're bottoming tonight. You're fucking bottoming tonight, 100%.
Don't put it on the
Oh, heck.
No.
That's disgusting.
Wow.
What the
Wow.
fuck?
Okay. Wow.
I'm
Okay.
retiring.
Okay. Wow.
I'm retiring.
Holy shit.
Don't put it
Wow. That bad, eh? You guys hate.
I'm going to make your ass hurt, babe.
Yeah, boy.
It's like an oblong paper. I don't know.
What flight do I have to get? I send you tomorrow possibilities.
Oh,
Okay. I'm gonna try this. Okay, I've never made my own pizza with barbecue sauce on it.
it's an Aviv.
Tastes terrible.
Did you just say it? That's terrible.
I want you just to view this, okay? It's fucking snowing, dude. This is it, boys. This is it. This is when Keita goes, Marcelo, look at the floofy. Look how he cooked the pizza.
I can send you the link I got.
Hang on, I can fix
Yeah,
it.
please.
Okay, it's 16 feet.
Is that good enough?